Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today for our super easy install. We have some Noble Performance rear tag lights. These are LEDs built in. You're not putting a bulb in there. This is a full replacement of what's already there. So let me show you. So right here is our Noble lights. We're gonna go ahead, open this thing up. And here's what you have. So as you see, these are full replacements. They're full LED boards in there. All we're gonna have to do is put these right in. It comes with a new gasket and it plugs right into where the bulb would plug into. And these are going to directly replace what's already there. To start this install off, let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Once you have your trunk popped, you can go ahead and take this cover off. It's just a couple of these pop clips, nothing crazy. They should all come out pretty easy. Once we have all of our clips out, we can actually go ahead and remove this. So for now, we don't have to touch the bulbs. All we're doing is taking out the 4 8mm nuts, and that's gonna allow us to pop out this trim right here on the trunk. So when you're removing these nuts, just be careful. I always take a magnet tool and just get ready for the nut because I've lost them down in the trunk already and they make a lot of noise. So once you have all those nuts out, this next step is pretty simple. Just take your hand, boom. Now if we're looking back on the inside, we're gonna take our bulb, we're gonna twist it a little bit, pull it out. Whether you have a LED or a stock halogen bulb, just go ahead and pop that out. Let that hang. And then with your finger, just push in this push clip, pops right out. Now that those are out, you can see a side-by-side comparison. So now we're gonna take it, orient it in this direction. You want the bigger clip on the side with the bigger hole. Just put that through, lay it sort of flat, and you wanna slide that clip into that position. And then it will click right in place. Now we're gonna take our trim panel, line it back up. Now with your bulbs out in this connector, all we gotta do is plug this in, just like your bulb was, straight down in, good to go. Now we can zip tie this up or do whatever we want with that. We'll obviously get some better shots for you at nighttime so you can see. Well guys, that's your tag lights ready to go, installed. They look great. 25 bucks, you can't beat it. I'll see you guys in the next video.